Sathyabama Institute of Science and Technology.
A very good day, everyone. Myself, Preetha Wilma Dawson, Assistant Professor, College of Physiotherapy, Sathyabama Institute of Science and Technology, deemed to be a university. And in today's session, we are going to start with ear. And today, we are going to learn about external ear. The ear consists of three parts: the external ear, middle ear, and the inner ear. The external ear is divided into two structures. The first structure is the auricle or pinna, and the other one is external auditory or external acoustic meatus. Here you have a picture representation. So this number 1 denotes the auricle or pinna, and number 2 denotes external auditory or acoustic meatus. First, we'll start with auricle. The auricle is a fibrocartilaginous plate which is covered by connective tissue and skin. So, this plate is folded and ridged. So, the ear is not a flat structure, it has some ridge in it. The skin covering this plate is thin and contains fine hairs and sebaceous gland. On the posterior part of the auricle, we have n number of sweat glands. The auricle in animals has the ability to fold or turn. When there is a sound from the external environment, to track the sound, this animal has an ability to turn the ear in that direction, and also to avoid some unwanted sound, they have the ability to close or fold their ear. But the movement of human ear is not possible. We have a depression in the auricle, so this depression forms the orifice for the external auditory meatus. This depression in the auricle is called as concha. Next, we learn about external auditory or acoustic meatus. So this external auditory meatus will be starting from the concha and it will be extending inside. It is a slightly curved canal. The length is of about 55 mm and it consists of two parts. The first part is called as outer cartilaginous part and the second one is called as inner part. First, we'll discuss about the outer cartilaginous part. This outer cartilaginous part is the initial part of the external acoustic meatus and it is completely made up of cartilage. It is covered by thick skin and contains stiff hairs. The function of this hair is to prevent the entry of foreign particles into the ear. They also contain sebaceous glands. Along with that, we have a ceruminous gland which is present in this outer cartilaginous part. This sebaceous and ceruminous glands are responsible for the secretion of ear wax. So, we have a picture representation about external auditory meatus. So, as we discussed before, we have two parts in the external auditory meatus. The first one is the outer cartilaginous part. Number 1 denotes it. And the second one is the inner bony part. This part is also covered by the skin and it closely adheres to the periosteum. And we have only sebaceous glands in this case, whereas in outer cartilaginous part, we had sebaceous, along with that we had ceruminous gland, but in inner bony part, we have only sebaceous glands. We have small hair structures in this part and the skin covering this part is also continuous with a tympanic membrane. We'll have a quick recap about today's session. So first, we had an overview about ear and the three structures of ear, that is the external ear, the middle ear and the inner ear. Next, we discussed about the external ear. So the external ear consists of two structures. The first one is auricle and the second one is external acoustic meatus. Then we discussed about the structure and function of the auricle. Then we learned about external acoustic meatus. This external acoustic meatus consists of two parts, that is the outer cartilaginous part and the inner bony part. And yes, we have come to the end of today's session. Thank you.